Hello guys, welcome to our channel Swapna Ron. As you can see here, um, if you can go and see our previous video, Ron has planted seeds, fenugreek seeds. Now the sprouts came out. So as you can see here, so I just wanted to show you this. So let's go into our video. Let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Swapna and Ron. I hope you guys are having fun at your home, being with your parents. So today Ron wants to do activity. It's a volcano effect. Like he wanted to do a science activity with. We are taking only 2 ingredients. So I'm gonna show you that. So please tune to his experiment.
Hello guys. Welcome to our channel, Swapna and Ron.
Hi Ron,
Hi.
are you ready to do the experiment?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, so now Ron is going to do an experiment. It's a effect of volcano. So we need the vinegar. I took red vinegar, red wine vinegar. So and we also need a disposable cup.
Plastic one?
Yeah, it's a plastic one, disposable cup. And we need one more ingredient called a baking soda. So, Ron,
Yeah.
take a small amount of baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yes, that powder is called a baking soda.
This one?
So guys, we took a little amount of baking soda
Big soda.
in a glass. Now Ron is going to pour a vinegar. Ron, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, open
Okay.
and pour
Pull.
vinegar.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Oh, see how is it coming up? Did you see, Ronnie? Not like that.
Whoa. Oh.
Do it. See?
Remember that?
Yeah. How is it coming up, Ronnie?
Wait, it's coming up. Wah! Whoa.
Enough. Enough.
Whoa.
Hello kids, did you see the effect of volcano? Enough, Ronnie. See. Ronnie? How is it?
Good.
Good? Enough. Now let it go down. Oh my God. It's coming up, see? Slowly it's coming up. See? It's coming up slowly.
It's just
Oh
going
my
down.
God. See the smell, Ronnie? Red.
Bring this.
Ronnie, keep it there, it will fall down.
Then you.
Hi, Ronnie.
Yeah.
What is your next experiment?
Bubbles.
Okay, what are the ingredients that you are using for that?
The dishwash, bottle, spoon, and scissors, and socks, and water, and bowl.
Oh, that's so good. Shall we start now?
Yeah.
Okay. So first, what you are going to do, Ron?
The dishwash.
Okay. What you're going to do?
You pour.
Okay. We should mix.
Yeah. Mix. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go. Whoa. This is a can wash. Okay, enough. We don't have dishwash.
Okay.
Stir.
Mix it. Stir it. Agitate.
Agitate.
Oh.
Whoa.
Okay, did you do it nicely?
Yeah.
Now what we are going to do? We need to cut the bottle.
Yeah, cut the bottle.
Yeah.
Wait a
I'll do it for you, okay? We need to cut the bottle like this.
Yeah.
With the help of scissors. And then
Then,
should wear the socks to this bottle like this.
yeah, in there.
And then sit there.
And then.
Now. Yeah. Dip it.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Set
Dip
up.
it. And then blow it. Do it. Dip it and come. Dip it and do it. Ah, it's coming. Oh my god. Rodney, you're making big bubbles.
Wait. I can show you that.
Oh my god. Oh, it's a good Ronnie. You do. Oh my god. Do it, dip it and do it again. Then you see here.
Okay, Vegas.
Okay.
Bubble and up.
Hope you guys enjoy this video. Have fun
Bye.
in family,
Look.
with your family.
Bye.
Take care, and if you like this video, give it a
Big thumbs up.
bye. Take care.
Bye.